Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So who am I? Let me tell you more about myself. I started YouTube with my tutorials and now I do crazy challenges, vlogs and random videos. I've studied fashion retail and styling. I'm now doing lookbooks on my channel as well. I love my YouTube family and the support I get is legit crazy. I cannot explain how crazy the support can get on my channel. I actually love every single one of you. And yeah, so I love exploring and traveling, so come along with me, why would you not want to? I'm all about having fun, following your dreams and woman empowerment. In my videos you'll see my family, my friends, enjoying some of the best moments. Watch me laugh, play and go through all the ups and downs as a YouTube family. You can check me out on Instagram, Facebook and my website at thatxcore. I upload weekly and have loads of exciting videos coming up in the next few months. So yeah, stay tuned. So who am I? I'm that X-Core. So stay fearless and keep going. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe to join the family.